Hi, my name is Neil Kumar and I'm a product marketing manager in a Smart Eye. So we are representing here a Smart Eye in Secutech exhibition 2014, and we are participating in the Secutech exhibition with our distributor Neotrix. And right now here we representing our access control solutions integration with IP camera. So here this is our 4-door 4-reader controller, and these are the MyFair and proximity readers, and we have integrated this access control solutions with Axis camera with a storage device of Lenovo EMC storage devices. So I'll just demonstrate my solutions. Uh, apart from all, one second. Yeah, apart from all the access control functions, we are integrating with the IP camera. So anyone will swipe his card or finger, then picture image will be captured by the camera and it will be stored in our system. So later on, he can just find who was entered at those gates. So this was the complete access control solutions with to avoid the body punching or proxy attendance. Now this is our door interlocking systems. So here we are presenting master controllers for 4-door interlocking systems. So it's mainly used for pharma industry for clean room. So if any the application in clean room was if anyone opening one door, then all the remaining doors should be closed. So if we are opening this door, then all doors should be closed. It will not open until this door will be closed. So we have door interlocking systems for up to 8 doors, 2 door to up to 8 doors, and we have also value added features like emergency switch. So if we have to release the door at one shot, then we can press the emergency switch and door will be released, all door will be released. And we have also connections for fire and intrusion. And this is our third solutions, that is server rack controller. So this is a standard 1U rack controller, so it can be pushed in the server rack, and these are the swing handle locks and biometric systems. So anyone can press his fingers and server rack will be open like this. So this is for server rack access controller. We have another swing handle lock which has inbuilt MyFair card reader. So in that case, you should not you have not to connect the biometric readers. And our third solution is our uh, award winner products, that is BioSmart NG. It's a single door access control and time attendance systems with LCD touch screen, touch sense keypad, and this device has very advanced features like PoE, USB, then modular reader. So you should not, if card technology is changed, you do not have to change the whole device. You have to only replace the readers. And other functionality like we can store the up to 4 lakh templates in this device, and we can store the 2.5 lakh transactions in device. And we are using this device, in this device we used 32-bit ARM 7 processor, so it's very fast. Now we are displaying here multi-location time attendance. So this device is connected to the routers and through LAN cable, and router has one data card cable. So and we have here web-based softwares. Web-based software, so it's installed at static IP. So if anyone swipe his finger, wow. Oh. Okay, so right now I just swiped my finger here, and through the push technology, the data is pushed to our web server, and we are retrieving those that server data from here. So I just refresh the data, and we'll get the current current data, like it's 7:36. So device has immediately sent all the data to the on the web server. So for multi-location, it's save the huge cost of infrastructure cost, uh, like uh, uh, LAN cable, WAN cable. It's eliminate all the network infrastructure, as well as your PC and everything. So it's for multi-location redundant solutions. Only you have to require one device and routers and data card. So this is a perfect fit for the multi-location time attendance systems. Thank you.